why did you ask me to come down here, Wheeljack?
Ratchet, good to see ya. Allow me to pitch you a brand new signature Wheeljack approved invention. We're gonna create a new Autobot.
Remember Sergeant Cookies?
It's gonna be different this time. See, I got these parts from Swindle. If we can create an Autobot ourselves, you know how much that'll be worth? Those guys on Shark Tank would eat it up.
Fine, but we don't take any shortcuts this time.
Deal. Behold, our newest Autobot.
Wasbinator.
Alright, looks like he's good to go. Hello, Sharks. Here's our invention. Give us money.
What? Wasbinator. Terrorize.
Is he supposed to do that? We have to stop him.
But how? I made him indestructible. Sweet. Wanna get tacos?
Sure thing.
Sup?